Hold up, hold up. What's up, man? Trying to figure out how to share my YouTube channel. Anybody know how to go to your link? I don't ever know how to do it. Your channel? Okay, I guess that's it. I suppose this is it. I'm guessing this is it. Let's see. I don't know. We're about to find out. Oh, my man. Mr. Enterprise dropped it for me. So this, that's funny. Everybody know how to get not my link, but me. That's funny. What's up, Harry King?
Blessings to you, sir.
Hey, man, I'm about to do a real quick analysis.
Yeah, tell me something good. Tell me something good.
What you in, man?
Grow.
Oh, which way?
Bye.
Okay. Yeah, we both. It doesn't really matter with gold right now. Gold is in a both way movement momentum right now, so it's going to go both ways. It needs to. Gold didn't. Okay, so let me go ahead and get started. Hey, what's up, everybody? It's your boy Chef Yardneasy, the Pit Master. Hey, good morning, team. Okay, I see everybody on my YouTube this morning. Awesome. Good morning. Good morning. Good morning. All right. So, quick analyses of what's going on in the market. I know everybody's wondering what is going on. What is going on, Chef? So we are in a new season. Is that not obvious, right? Every time the season changes, the way we can move about the market changes. Okay, so just remember that the season has changed, so the way we move about the market that changes. So normally, when I give a compound on gold, it doesn't take any time to hit. But what price is doing now? We're in a new season, so it's not even going through its normal movement. So let's talk about gold and a few others. Will Huggs, good morning. What's up, Will? What's up, boy? Will. What's up, man? Golly, I ain't seen that man in a long time. Come back, boy. Come back on over here, boy. To get this good. Uh, so with gold, guys. Hold on. I don't want that all. I don't want that one. All right. I gotta have my music right. So here we go. Hold on, hold on. All right. So with gold, guys, let's look at gold. Let's dissect gold real quick. What are we doing? What is gold doing? Right. First of all, let me take my lines off. Um, what's wrong with this picture? EMA structure. The 1 hour chart is not properly aligned, which means there's a lot of back and forth movement. Notice what gold did when it was in a when the 1 hour chart was set up perfectly for the buy. It bought up. Now what is it going to keep doing? Buying up. But it's going to come back down because these EMAs are going to realign for the sale. It's just in a swoop. It's in a swoop. That's what I call it, a swoop, right? So that's the 1 hour. Let's look at the 5 and see what it's getting ready for. So you tell me, 5 is getting ready to do what? 5 is gearing up for a sale. But we're trading off the 1 hour right now. So the 1 hour is going to continue to push up until those EMAs line up properly. Look at the 30-minute. It's set up, but it's not quite set up. The 1 hour is definitely set up to buy more all the way up to, let me put my lines back on so you can see what's going on. In my red box, let me space it out. My red box, this white line right here didn't get hit yesterday, and neither did the other one. So price did come back to this area right here, nor did price come back to this area right here. So what am I looking for today? I'm looking for price to come up to like that 1936 area and bust through there and going up here, hit the rest of my red box. Price was really playing a game. It actually dropped into my green box yesterday also, but it didn't open. Look at this. It didn't open and close in my green box, which means more red box movement. Okay, more red box movement. The 4 hour chart is really telling the truth about movement. Just looking at this, it is making let's see. What are we making? What is this called? Huh? What is it called? Uh, higher lows. Higher lows. So look, higher low, higher low, higher low, higher low, higher low. So we have another higher low. I wish I can draw, but if I draw, everything's going to pop up. We have a triangle right here. I don't know if you can see it, but the shape of a triangle, even though it's a double for me, the shape of a triangle is right here, guys. Right. So once price busts out of that triangle, watch out. Now, if you look at the 4 hour chart, the 4 hour chart is also out of alignment. It's out of alignment. It dipped down for the sell and then it pushed up for the buy. So I'm not looking for a lot of action right now with gold because gold's overall movement based off the day chart is a sell, right? So we did all this, right? It went up as high as it was going to go, which was right here at 2069. The next higher, lower high was 1987. Then the next one was 1954. All right, we got one drop under that. After that drop happens, I believe we're going to come all the way back down here, guys, to like 1813 when gold really decides to drop, right? Just like with oil. Oil, we were talking about oil. I said on my call the other day, if you go back and look at it, you'll see I said oil is going to drop. You know, oil hit that high, oil is going to drop. What did oil do? Oil started dropping from 92.41. Now it's in the 80s, man. And I'm still predicting oil to drop. Why? Because the EMA structure tells me so. EMA structure tells me right there, right there. Let me take the lines off. This 4 hour, this 1 hour chart is telling me I got a nice drop. Watch how many charts are set up for a sale. Watch this. All right, I already did it on the 15. 30 set up, the 1 hour set up, 4 hour set up. The day chart is not. But it already did the 1 and the 5. Look, I can't make it up. The 1 was already set up for a sale. It went right through it, right here. Way back here. The 1 was set up for a sale. It's set up for a buy here. Then it's set up for another sale. Now, and then it's set up for a buy, and it hit the buy. It's going one more time to hit the buy. That's off the 1. The 5 was set up for what? Set up for a sale. The 50 was on top. The 2 800s on the bottom. It went through those. Now, look, all the EMAs have made it through off the 5 minute, but they haven't done it on the 15 yet. So now the 15 is doing the same setup, right? The 30 minute is already set up. 30 minute is set up to that 800 down here at 87.44, around that range. 1 hour is definitely set up, but it's oversold. So it's got to pull back. Now it's for the play in the what? The mouth. The mouth of the bird. Yes, Lord, right here in between the mouth. Okay. So looking for some buy up today on oil and then some more sell down later. Let me look at NAS. NAS is setting up to buy. Amen to that. because I already caught all the sell money I can catch on NAS. Now I'm wanting to catch this buy money, but the 30-minute, nothing else is set up. So the 1 minute is set up for a sell. The 5 is set up for a buy because now the MAs are going to push over the 800. 15-minute is set up for what? A buy. So I'm predicting NAS to go up to 15,289 today, basically around the bell time. This is a brick wall for it. Is this EMA right here at 15,254. But once it breaks through that brick wall, it will go up to 289. Same difference as it was on the 15-minute chart, the 800 EMA. All right, the 1 hour. The 1 hour is giving me this same setup at 15,288. So what am I off by 1,289 is right there at the 200 EMA. The 4 hour. Once it does that, that's the mouth. 289. I can't make it up. Should hit, play up in the mouth. If it exceeds the mouth, I'm really not looking for it to buy up too high, right? I'm looking for it to buy up, peak out because it is low in the RSI, and then push back down to come down here to my dotted line, which is sitting right here on the EMA 15023. So that's my bottom out for NAS. Let's see, US 30. I'm basically looking for the same stuff. All right, let's start with the day chart. The day chart has it set up to do what? The same thing NAS is doing, selling, right? It's going to sell, right? But it's got to buy up first. These EMAs are way out of whack. This EMA here is set up for a buy. And this is the 1 hour. 30-minute is set up for a buy. 15-minute is set up for a buy. 5-minute already did it and it's set up for more buy. The 1 minute is set up for a sell. So look at this. We're almost overbought on the 1 minute. The 15-minute, we're overbought. The 30-minute, we're overbought. So it has a little more room to run up, but then that sucker has to come down because it's overbought on the higher time frames. I believe it does want to push up to finish out the buy all the way up to 36,690. But once it does that, watch for a potential sale on the US 30 because the 4 hour and the 1 hour are saying, no, sir. Once it finishes this little pump buy that it's doing, we got to come down because those EMAs are right below it. So that downturn is going to bring us all the way to 33,960 on US 30. That's what I'm looking at. All right. So I hope this has been helpful. For those of you in a buy and a sell on gold, I would keep both only because gold is set up to do both, right? I will keep both because gold is set up to do both. I just showed you that. If for some strange reason it does not, then use your risk management. All right, you gotta use your risk management. Gee whiz, I can't talk about risk management enough. People keep asking me, Chef, do you think it's going to do this? Do you think it's going to do that? Doesn't matter what I think. It matters if your risk management is on point. It don't matter what I think, right? It matters if your risk management is on point. So make sure you are using PRM. Perry just taught a class. I'm pretty sure he taught it last night on risk management. If you guys are interested and want to know more about what's going on in our community, please, by all means, like, share, and subscribe to my page. That's number one. Tell your friends and family about it so they too can learn what's going on in the market and learning how to trade. I do want to look at one stock while I'm on here, guys. I do want to look at one stock while I'm on here. Let's look at TSLA. Let's look at Tesla, and then also want to look at one other one while I'm on here. Tesla, man, let's see, what am I up on Tesla? I told y'all about Tesla early this year. I am up on Tesla. When my app comes up, Tesla. How much? 28%. And I told you to get Yelp. I'm up 47% on Yelp this year. Yelp, right here. Look at that. Yelp. I'm up 47% on Yelp, man. I'm telling you. Your next big mover, I believe, I think it's going to be this one right here. I think it's going to be your next big mover. Amazon. Look at the setup. Where's Amazon going, y'all? Y'all already know. 138. So that's $1 more. But watch this. Let's go to the higher time frames and see. Ooh, so this would be a good stock option. This will be a good option trade. It's way out of whack. Amazon is all over the place. So yeah, Amazon, I still got it going up to 140, 146.54. Amazon, but it's all over the place. It's gonna drop before it buys. Looking at the structure, 30 minutes. What you looking at? No, it's actually about to push up. Yeah, it's about to push up. It's in a risky area because look at this, the RSI. The RSI is pretty low for Amazon, so it's got to push up out of there. So I'm basically looking at this 5 minute chart. Is it even set up yet? Nope, not set up. Anything set up? Only thing set up is the 1 minute for a dollar buy. Amazon, very interesting. And then my boy, he likes to look at I call him my boy like I know him. Aristotle really likes Roku. Let's look at Roku. See why he likes Roku so much. Roku moves so good. That's why. I mean, Roku has predictable moves, just like when we're doing currency trade, right? So Roku is setting up for what? One. How many charts? It's only one. Roku is about to. Ooh, Roku about to get some drop action going on. Once it buys out of this hole, uh, wow, Roku is really in the debacle. So Roku actually should be buying up. That's where it should be going. Yep, it's going to take. See the bounce right here? It should be taking this bounce and going right back up. So Roku should be going up here for like $96 a share. That's a good call option on a. Oh yeah, definitely. Yeah, yeah. Roku looking good for a buy. It's going to push down a little bit more, but it's looking good for that buy up. Okay, so and then of course our magnificent tools um, here, which I'll just give a real quick glimpse, and then after that I'm out. These tools are amazing, man. So we'll be able to use these tools to really help us with direction of travel and TP. Okay, and I've been good, Will. How you been, bro? Been real good, man. You need to hit me up. I'm still on Telegram, so hit me up, man. Come on back. Check out. You don't need to check out no week, man. You already know what time it is. A lot of people are getting funded. We have over $500,000 in funding right now for people that got funded for trading. So yeah, definitely jump on. But guys, I hope this has been good for you. I'm out. We got a call right now going on, and I gotta go. Holla at your boy. I'm the chef. Yardneezy. Like, share, and subscribe to my channel. And by all means, if you are interested in doing any Forex trading and want to learn more about the education that goes on within our community, please hit me up and I will be happy to invite you to a free session so that you can see what's going on in our private community. All right. I'm out.